What's going on, Mother Truckers? I just want to update you guys real quick. There was a multi-car pileup blocking the I-80, and now there's one lane open. Basically, the situation in hand is there were 11 cars that piled up, including 2 large vehicles and semi-trucks. So I just want to let you guys know that. And it's very slow and congested over there. It's to be updated of what actually happened, but it's right there on the state borderline of Ohio and Pennsylvania, out in the Mercer County area. So basically in Mercer County, Pennsylvania, there was a whiteout conditions caused a pileup involving multiple vehicles that has closed parts of I-80 westbound just before Ohio state boundary line this Sunday afternoon, just a few hours ago. We don't know the full situation yet, but it's to be determined. I just want to let you guys know that one lane is now finally open, but it is extremely congested. Mother Truckers, if you're in that situation or in that area, please email, comment down below and let me know what's going on. But I just want to let you guys know as it's happening.